In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a blog template in the Design Manager in HubSpot. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your HubSpot account and head to the Content section, then choose Blog. This is where all your posts live and where you'll connect to the template you want to edit. Once you're in the blog area, pick any post that uses the template you plan to change. Choosing a post that already uses that template is the quickest way to reach the correct template settings without hunting through the Design Manager. When the post loads, look to the top right of the content editor and click Settings. The Settings menu contains several options, and the one you want is Template. Select Template in the left sidebar, and you'll see an option to edit this template. Click that, and HubSpot will take you directly into the Design Manager where the template file lives. At this point, it's important to note, HubSpot will warn you if the template is used on other pages. That warning appears because editing the template will affect every blog post that uses it. If you want to update the template across all posts, choose Edit this template and make your changes directly. If you prefer to update only the current post, choose Clone and Edit to create a separate version for that post before editing. Cloning is a good safety measure when you want to test design changes without impacting live content. Inside the Design Manager, take a moment to preview the layout before making changes and consider creating a backup or duplicate of the template. Make your edits carefully, keeping global modules and responsive behavior in mind, so your changes look good on desktop and mobile. Use the preview tools available to check different screen sizes. If you're making structural changes, keep an eye on linked modules and assets so nothing breaks on the live site. When you're satisfied with the edits, publish your work by clicking Publish Changes in the top right corner of the Design Manager. Publishing will push the updates live to any post using that template, unless you cloned and edited a separate version. After publishing, review a few live posts to confirm everything appears as expected, and use the version history if you need to roll back any changes. That's it. A straightforward way to access and update a blog template in HubSpot's Design Manager while keeping control over where and how those changes take effect.